Alright, so welcome to another tutorial video, and this time it's on Marina protocol. So if you are yet to complete the second phase of the Marina protocol KYC, this video is for you. And that's, by the way, if you are yet to join our Telegram channel where we give daily and timely update, then you are really missing a lot. So let's just get straight into the video. But to join my Telegram channel, check in the description box, and of course in the comment section you're going to see the link to our Telegram channel. And if you're watching from TikTok, then you can check the bio to get the link to our Telegram channel. Now, to complete, remember that this is a must. If you have done the first phase of the verification where you linked your X account and your Telegram account, then you're also good to go. So this update is how you are going to complete the second phase of the verification using the two exchanges they gave. But as you all know, Hashkey is one of the exchanges, and Hashkey is not operational in Nigeria due to some Nigerian policies and all that. So you are going for Btse exchange, right? So to complete it, you just click from the home page of your Marina protocol. You click on this profile icon, and then you're going to click on this KYC. Okay, if you've completed yours, you're going to see something like this. Now when you click on it, if that's the first time you're clicking on it, you'll be prompted to agree to their terms, right, before this will appear. So you just have to agree to the terms. It's not as if you have any other option, right? So as you can see, we have Hashkey Global, which is not operational in Nigeria, but also have Btse. Okay, now all you need to do is click on this place, click next, and you are going to take note of this place because you'll be needing this referral code. This is Marina protocol referral code, right? So you just head over to your Play Store, and then I've already downloaded the Btse, but just in case you've not downloaded it, you head over to Play Store and then search for Btse exchange, right? Btse. Okay, you can see it here. You click on it, download it. I've actually downloaded it, so I'm just going to click to open, and you'll be required to register, right? So when you click on this icon, you can see if you have already registered, you are expected to log in, but I've actually opened this app before without registering. So you just go to click on this, and then you click on register. You click on register, right? Now you are going to impute your email address. Okay, input your email address. I think you should, it's not a must, but I advise you use the same email you use in registering your Marina protocol. So you click on this, and then I'm just going to do that now. All right, so when you are done inputting your details, choose alphanumeric password, and of course it's also going to include special symbols. Then you check this box, and that's when this next will be highlighted. You click on next, and you are also going to click on next again. Okay, or you see this have a referral code. In fact, this is a very important aspect of it. So you click on that, have a referral code, then you head over to your Marina protocol. Remember I said you should take note of this. You copy this referral code now. Okay, head over to the Btse exchange and input it. That's when you're going to click on next, right? Click on next and wait for it. They're going to send you an email to your registered email address. So you just head over to your mailbox and then copy the email, the code sent to you. You can see it already. Now you copy it and head over 660986. You just paste it here and click on verify, right? Wait for it to load up. Email verified, as you can see. Then you click on explore, right? Click on start trading, and voila, you are good to go. Okay, one more step for us to finish. So you go back to your home page and you click on this profile icon. That's when you are going to see your UID. This is what Marina protocol requires you to impute. So you copy it by clicking on that place. You would have copied your later. Remember that later you are still going to do proper KYC and all the verification needed to set up your Btse exchange account. But this is what is needed now for the Marina Protocol KYC phase 2. So you go back to your Marina Protocol and then you click on next, right, and impute. So make sure the email is the same. That's why I said you should use the same email. Then you click on continue or next. This is when you're going to impute the UID and you click on submit, right? You click on submit and then you click on close, right? So that's basically what you are supposed to do. You can see processing, so you just wait for it. You have to do it. I don't know when it's going to end, but rumors have it that it's going to end within the week, so you just have to do it as soon as you see this video. So many thanks for watching this video to this very end, and if you have questions or any concern, if you need more guidance, you can leave your question in the comment section. You can as well leave your decent comment, like this video, share it, and then I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.